Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, we're talking about a shoe, man, that was made for a special player, man. Usually on this channel, we're talking about basketball sneakers, running sneakers, but this time we're actually talking about a tennis shoe. We're talking about the Nike Zoom Roger Federer shoe. But this one has a mixture of the Fire Red 3s. As you can see, I got the regular Fire Red 3s back here. Pretty old pair. I got another desktop pair somewhere. But this is the pair I've been wearing for all these years. So, you know, it's accessible. I got to it. Just threw it back here for you guys to be able to get a look at the, you know, a live look at the Fire Red 3s, man. But this shoe was made for Roger Federer, a very special tennis player, man. If I'm not mistaken, this is his last season. So, I figure, you know, we'll get this shoe, do a review on it, you know, being how it's US Open time, which is like basically the World Series of tennis. So, you know, I figured we get this shoe, man, let you guys get a look at it, you know, a glimpse at it. I know some people probably did this shoe on their channel, but, you know, I figure I'm just bringing it to, you know, my audience and let you guys get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to our channel. I know we got a bunch of different things on this channel, man. We got hip-hop reviews, man, music videos that I shoot, you know, or with anybody under the Penny for Your Thoughts umbrella shoots. We do sports, you know, a lot of boxing talk on this channel, man. A lot of different things, man, you know, so we're not your typical YouTube channel who just talks about one topic, man. We have multiple different topics on this channel, man. So, you know, check us out, man. Let a couple people know about us, man. Post our videos, you know, follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. Let me give you guys the direct link to us right now on Instagram and on Twitter. You guys can find us at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. But enough with the talk, man. Let's get into the shoe. Here you have it. This is the box. You know, it's a little different box. You know, I don't know if you guys can see the Roger Federer sign there. You know, typical, you know, white box, Roger Federer sign on there, mixed with Jordan. As you can see, the Nike Zoom Vapor / AJ3. You know, but I know you guys don't care about the box. This is the insole for it. You know, got the Nike tennis logo there. You know, but let's get into the shoe, man. Here you have it, man. The Roger Federer shoe / AJ3 Fire Red, man. As you can see, it's basically, you know, the Roger Federer shoe with the bunch of Jordan stuff on it, man. Retro 3 stuff on it. As you can see, it got the, I don't know if you guys can see the Roger Federer sign there. You know, Fire Red, you know, elephant print hair. Eyelids here, red, gray in here, just like the Fire Red. Got the Jordan logo on the tongue. You know, on the back, it says Nike Air. Even though the Fire Reds that came out didn't say Nike Air in the back, but you know, it is what it is. You know, then you got the black, you know, black hair also, black cement print hair, whatever, man. This is not my type of shoe. It's not something I would wear, but you know, if I was a tennis player, this is the type of stuff I would like to be swagging out with, man. As you can see, Roger Federer, he be out there swagging, man. He be having the Jordan brand stuff on and stuff like that, man. So it's dope, man. This is definitely a dope, you know, a dope mixture of shoes. Jordan brand and Nike has been getting together and, you know, just putting stuff together, man. It's been working, man. It's been working for a while, man. The shoe's pretty old. I came out maybe about a year now, if I'm not mistaken, but it's definitely a clean shoe, man. As you can see the bottom, still that style, you know. Clean shoe, man. This is really a tennis shoe, man. Like I mentioned earlier, we normally do basketball reviews, basketball sneaker reviews, running sneaker reviews and stuff like that, man. It's the first actual tennis shoe that we're actually doing a review on, man. You know, so, you know, maybe open some more windows. Maybe we can get some Serena Williams, you know, Venus Williams shoes, you know. Maybe, man, you never know, man. But, you know, whatever shoes come across our table, we will review them. You guys will be able to see them, man. You know, our audience will be able to see them, man. With the US Open, you know, coming up, man, I figure why not, man. Tennis shoe, why not? Let's do it. Clean shoe, man. Clean, very clean shoe, man. You know, something you can actually wear. Like, you know, a lot of people wear the shorts. You know, you can wear some shorts and ankle socks. clean, you know, a little clean look. You know, you're going out with your girl, you're going out with the fellas, you know, you want to stand out, man. You definitely stand out with something like this, man. No ifs, ands, buts about it. With that being said, I'm gonna have to rate this shoe, man. And being how the threes are one of my favorite shoes of all time, man. There's not many colors of the threes that I don't have. I pretty much have doubles and triples of retro threes, man. It's crazy, man. But you know, with that being said, man, I'm definitely gonna have to rate this shoe. I'm gonna give this shoe a 3.5, man, because I'm not a fan of the shoe itself, but I'm a fan of the fire red on this shoe. If that makes any sense to you guys, man. But definitely a clean shoe, man, that you can get away with, man. I never really had the opportunity to try the shoe on or anything like that, man. But I really think this shoe is a cool shoe, man, for its consumer. The person who buys the tennis shoes and stuff like that, this is a cool shoe. It's a must-have for this consumer, man. Yeah, man, definitely fly shoe, man. Definitely fly shoe. 3.5, man. Let me know if you guys think I'm tripping. Let me know how you guys feel about this shoe, man. Leave a comment below, man, and leave anything below. If you guys want to say anything or about our channel, anything that we're missing, anything that we're not doing, man, leave it below, man. We'll definitely answer, and I appreciate all feedback, man. Appreciate anything. You know, appreciate you watching our channel. I appreciate you guys even, you know, watching any of our videos. I appreciate, you know, you guys just anything. I appreciate you guys going to our Instagram and checking us out, going to our Twitter, checking us out, sending us an email. Anything that you do, I appreciate it so much, man, and it means the world to me because I'm able to, you know, get the motivation to keep doing these videos for you guys, man. As you can see, not making much money off these YouTube channels, but you guys keep me going, man, with the views and, you know, the comments and stuff like that, man. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. But with that being said, you know, I got that P4YT merch on. As you can see, I got that black Penny for Your Thoughts hat with the camo brim, man. And let you know you guys can find us. You can email me at to let me know if you want some of this P4YT merch. You can email me at P4YT2016 at gmail.com.